Hello there. So, here we are in teardown because I kind of wanted to relax. Also, little thing, my friends won't be here too often. That's probably just gonna be like a weekend little special, unless it's like holiday weekend right now. But yeah. So my friends will only be here for like a weekend special. But when they are here, Syria will be playing Deltarune with my nine. But also on the subject of the game, yeah, sorry. I can most likely get it figured out by next video. Okay, I need to turn down the individual sound volume on this. Okay, that's better. Anyways, let's break stuff. Well, they made a massive mistake by parking in their car here. Bam! Ooh, a house. Oh, okay, I don't think this counts as a house. Burn. Also, I do have a few mods installed, like C4, which is a really fun mod. Surprised that's on the telekinesis. Boom. That is now destroyed. Come on, I need to do this. Okay. I have played Teardown before and actually got through the whole main campaign, but I'd still have fun. Are you able to light this up on fire like this one? Yeah. Ooh, both. Okay. Guess we're gonna need to find a different mode of transportation. So yeah, for all those watching who haven't figured it out, this game's just Rage Room. Also, all the mods I have installed are free mods that come with the game if you want to use them. Highly recommend them, they're really fun. Wait, there's something up there. Let me just bring it down. Okay, no, that's way too difficult to check. I can't do that. This trekking is so fun. Alright. Okay, I'm going in. I can hit you alone. Oh. Help me out. Where did I just go? I think I'm under the map. Huh. This was not planned. Well, okay then, different map time. Ooh, I like this map. You'll see why in a moment. Oh, whoa, this is not where I expect to spawn. That is why. Then, oh, by the way, pipe bomb. Ooh, that's a fire. Okay then, so leaving the C4 line. I need a place higher up. It's gonna take a while. Let's just blow up the first part now. Yay! Oh my god, okay, I think that's where it happened. Don't know why, but just theory. That did more damage than I thought it would. And I mean, it's not gonna get up there. There we go. Didn't go exactly how I planned, but now I can do this using telekinesis. Oh, hello there. Ooh, nice car. Wouldn't hope anyone did this. There. I love destruction. Pure chaotic destruction. Well, I don't know where these meant to be. Like, what was it? Did anyone actually use these during their playthrough? Because if you did, I am amazed by your resilience and creativity. Yeah. I had some of these things. Aren't these things like really similar to the T4? You just have to shoot them instead. Well, yep. But yeah, so yeah, interacting with I9 Area will probably only be like a once a week thing. So, hold on, I should probably step back and Boom. Burn with the light of 1,000 suns. If you want, so I'm probably, I don't really know if our game's gonna have voice actor or anything. We're really unsure about most of it. So, yeah. Ooh. This is the only condition I'll use a car. Okay, this one's kind of... No racing for... No racing for you, my friend. This is the best way. This is the best way to use a vehicle. This is the best way to use a vehicle with telekinesis. Ba-da, boom. There we go. Wait, no, I actually kind of want that back. Yep, come back here. Get wrecked, literally. Oh. Alright. So I'm going to lace this entire house with explosives while just talking to you. So there's not much about the game. I haven't said already that I can't actually say without my friend's permission, so after that, life has been going pretty good, so I think I'll probably blow up this house at the end of the video. Gonna carefully open this door to plant all the explosives. This entire house will go up in flames. This may not seem like much, but soon enough, soon being in like 20 minutes. Just need to know to not press K. Okay then. Okay, the second floor. Okay, I think I might have broken the game. Computer, please don't die. Oh my god, I'm alive. I don't know, that's possible. No. Still alive, huh? Oh, oh boy. Ah. Oh no, that's not right. I blew everything out. Okay. Was that right? Yep, no, it was here. It was here. Oh my god. You couldn't even tell there was a first floor. Well, you can't hear. Let's change that. Now I haven't learned a single lesson. So apparently I didn't die, meaning, because, you know, I'll end each level once I die of my own stupidity. I technically didn't die, thankfully. So, my computer must hate me. Okay, next level. For those of you wondering about Secret of the Maw Part 2, no. Sorry, but no, too long. I don't feel like doing that. Oh, and yes, all the specials with my friends will be an hour long, so sorry. I'm really, really sorry. I wish C4 was under the bombs category for obvious reasons. Time. Different spot. Wow. Okay. So I was having it going in a spiral like one by one, but no. This is a boring map. Okay then. This is such a nice vacation home you get during that part of the game. It's just so nice. If only I wasn't a teardown man. Guys, how should I enter my house? Oh, I know. Now I don't need to open the door. Oh, another door. And another. Wait, I should help. Everyone hates doors, right? Oh, and windows. Just remove the glass and it'll work the same. And water. Die, water, die. Okay, I'm done. Ooh. I wonder if I can spawn him. No. I wish it was easier to kill these things. Yeah, you had to throw them into the water. So annoying. Okay, another spawn. No. 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 Where's the spider thing? Let's see. Can that small boat over there survive the might of this giant? Let's see. No. Okay. That was a close match. But unfortunately, my favorite character died by my own hand. No, then I would like to go under the map zone. There's not really much to say otherwise. Actually, you know what? Here, why is it so accessible to have super long streams, but not super long videos that are literally just streams, but yeah, get him. Stay away from me. I kind of wish he instead just had a weak spot in the back, but no, they had to just be invincible, and you would just have, okay. Cinema fight scene. Oh my god, that was actually kind of an awesome fight scene. Lord me. Well, time for round 2. Goodbye. Okay. Let's see if this goes on. Let's play a game of Are They? Nope. Die. So one hit kind of incapacitated. A bit. No. I'm a clown, but okay. Said it sooner. Fuck you. Like a boomer. Wait, hold on. I want to see if I can. If this is the secret to defeating them all along. Goodbye. Oh my god. Of go fall into the water. And goodbye. Oh my god, that is a walking fireball. Oh my god, what? Round two of being a walking fireball. Round one was fucking hilarious. Hey, you actually gonna start shooting at me? Huh. Sure. Okay then. Walk away from the walking fireball. Oh god. Okay. I think that's a pretty good time to end off the video. Bye. Sorry for such a boring video, but got an hour long. Got a nearly 2 hour long one last time, so sorry. Sucks to suck.